don't know if it's on.
Bella, move back, please.
You going on another engine? Or?
I might go on that one and go to this dumper.
Get the one. Is that the last one? Is it?
That's the last one.
Is it? Oh.
Want to do that?
What?
Yeah. Jump on this engine against the dumper. That's the 90%
Yeah. They had Sir Nigel Gresley running a minute ago.
Yeah, until
They had Sir Nigel Gresley running round here a minute ago.
No, because we're missing if we go to Willerton.
Daddy, they had Sir Nigel Gresley going round.
We'll be back here for 6:15.
Yeah, that's alright then.
6:15?
yeah.
Still here.
And then we can come back in, maybe.
No, it'll be.
And then
What time do you lock up?
Elliot,
What time do you lock up?
Back now.
Elliot, and then I'll meet you back here, and then I don't know, Dad pick us up.
Do you want to jump in with me and go back, or do you
Yeah,
think?
can do.
This
It's up to
time
you.
I'm not sitting in the front.
Please. Right, come on, Alice.